Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Flutter SDK on Path and Android Studio installed. Run Flutter Doctor. Address Android tool warnings immediately. Open Android Studio. Install Android SDK Platform 33 and command line tools if missing. Create an AVD now or enable USB debugging on your device so you can test. Once done, restart Android Studio and accept any license prompts. This minimizes later friction and lets you focus on creating a project without pausing for tool installation. You should install the Flutter and Dart plugins in Android Studio. They add templates and run tools. Create a new Flutter project, selecting the appropriate Android language. Kotlin is recommended, and confirm package name. Open Android/build. Gradle and Android/app/build. Gradle to verify Gradle plugin versions and set min SDK version to at least the package requirements. Once done, run FlutterPub get to fetch packages. Make sure Android Studio uses the correct JDK and Gradle wrapper to avoid build mismatches. You can now run the app. Select your emulator or USB device in the target selector and press Run. Use Flutter Run for terminal control and the Flutter Inspector in Android Studio to inspect widgets and layout. Hot Reload keeps state while you iterate. Press R in terminal or the lightning icon. If the build fails, inspect Gradle and SDK version conflicts, run Flutter Clean, and rerun Flutter PubGet. One key tip: mismatched Gradle or Android SDK versions are the most common blocker. Align those and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.